for our 1,000 subscribers, this will be our giveaway.
Yep,
Our
our favorite.
Our favorite and only Easy FLATE
hose.
hose. I was gonna say, yeah.
This is the HYPERFLEX.
Yep, it gets all 4 tires
Yeah.
airing down or airing up.
Uh,
The easiest and fastest way.
Yep.
And it also comes with a sticker and a valve stem cover.
Yes.
Right?
And
Yeah.
comes with this nice bag.
And it comes with a nice bag too.
I know.
All right.
So
do you guys want to go and check it out and see? Oh crap, we can't air it down because we don't have our
I know.
air compressor.
Oh.
But anyways,
Yeah.
here we could demonstrate. But we're not gonna air it down though because we'll be screwed. So it comes with these Velcro straps to make it all organized. And it's digital too.
Mm-hmm.
And the battery is back here. And it's all ready to go. And let's unvelcro it. Once I put this, our tire pressure is gonna go down already. Well, actually, no, not really. If I put
as long as it's locked.
Yeah, as long as it's locked. And this is how you lock it right here. There's the knob. On, off. Off, on. So right now I'm just gonna put it at off. I'm just removing our cover.
There you go, and you
There.
just do the same thing in the other side. Now you
Hold on, I'm
have
curious what our
four
tire
system.
pressure is. Oh, cool. So our tire pressure right now, according to Easy FLATE, or to this, is 37.4.
Yeah.
So we're
So
putting
we
this.
decided to do it in the driver's side too.
Yep, all 4. All 4
Now
tires,
connected.
and it's reading 37.3 because some air kind of leaked when I was putting it. So there. So if I push this down, you know what? Let's do it real quick. All right, ready? Whoop, never mind. Okay, that's it. They're 37.1 already. There. Well, anyway, so we could just air back up home. All right, time to remove it. There you go.
There you go.
Easy peasy.
There you go.
That's that. I'll just leave that there.
There you go.
There. Okay, now let's fold it up.
Yep.
She's the one who's gonna clean it, fold it up, because I'm not really that good in folding it. I'm really good in using it, but not folding it. So she's just making a circle.
Yeah.
All right, so she just made that circle,
Yep.
and now she's going to put the Velcro.
The Velcro. Yeah, this is nice. It comes with the Velcro too.
Yep, to make it nice and easy.
There
you go.
And then we do the
Other side. So she's now using up the Velcro and
Yeah.
securing the tube.
And there you go.
There,
Yep. And then we can just put now in the bag.
put it right
And-
here in the bag.
And we are set.
And you're coming from a trail, either ready to go home or ready to
Yeah.
start. So if you want to win this, please comment and subscribe and tell us which video you like from us down the comment section in this video.
In this video.
Yep. And this is worth 200, and then the one that we use is worth 180. So this is $20 more.
Yeah.
Yep. And you also get a free bag
Free bag.
and a free valve stem cover and an Easy FLATE sticker.
We are going to do the raffle
Once we hit
the
1,000 subscriber.
we'll go back and review this video and check all of your comments, and we'll reach out to you, whoever is gonna win this, for your information.
Also want to say a big, huge thanks
thanks.
to all our subscribers and the one that are watching and liking
following
and following.
commenting. You know, your comments and your likes and your subscribing to us meant so much to us. So,
Yep. And it motivates us even more.
yeah.
So we're here at Rib Bros, and we got ourselves a full rack of barbecue pork, ribs with some corn and some mac and cheese. And then we also got 2 sweet teas. All right, let's do this. All right, so to order to win this on our raffle.
To order.
Okay, never mind.